All right, what's going on, guys? Tremaine here. We're going to do a quick Asia trade breakdown. Okay, this is Sunday, October 6, 2024. So, starting off, okay, our new week opening gap where we close with Friday's trading and open with Sunday's trading at 6 p.m. Okay, that is your new week opening gap. If you're trading Asia, draw that through as soon as you get that opening price at 6 p.m. Initial sell side, that is your lowest low between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. Okay, so 6 p.m. is here, 7 p.m. is here. This is your lowest low. That is your initial sell side liquidity, and your initial buy side, which is your highest high between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. This is your highest high. Now, as you can see here, I sent out in the Discord when we were trading about right here, I said I am looking for shorts. Why did I say I'm looking for shorts? Well, if you notice, we gap higher and immediately trade higher. Okay, so we open at 6 p.m. We have a premium gap opening with the new week opening gap, and we immediately run higher. We didn't trade down into this. We're missing both buy side and sell side delivery within this new week opening gap. So as soon as we open higher and start to run away, I'm already telling myself we are in a deep premium. Okay, we're not likely to leave this new week opening gap, okay, open for much longer. Look at all the damage we've done on the buy side. This high, taken out. This high, taken out, this high, taken out, smooth highs all throughout here, all these wicks, the body staying relatively in the same spot, way too clean, taken out aggressively. All right, break down, trade up, break down. What is this? Relative equal lows, that's sell side. All right, so now 7 p.m. starts the window to look for a setup. We trade up, and I mentioned this in the Discord. There's an Asia voice channel in the Discord for those who are listening. I said, if NASDAQ fails to take out this buy side and we start to break lower, I said real time as we're trading in this region, I said that is bearish. Okay, if we fail to take out that high and we break lower, that is bearish because NASDAQ is showing an unwillingness to take out the buy side. And this long wick here, that's a premium array. Okay, wicks are gaps. I don't care what anybody says, wicks are gaps. A lot of people get offended when I say that for some reason, but it is what it is. Wicks are gaps. I'm seeing this wick as a normal fair value gap. Consequent encroachment. Boom. And you have the upper quadrant of that wick here. Draw it through. Working that level. Unwilling to take out the buy side. And then we break down. Form a short-term low inside this fair value gap. We trade up once more. And what do we fail to do here? We fail to reach consequent encroachment of that wick. So let's get real tight in here. All right. So we trade up. We fail to reach consequent encroachment of that wick. Just fell short of it and break down. That is bearish. So we did two things. Failure to do two things. We failed to take out buy side. NASDAQ does not have enough strength to get up there. And we failed to reach consequent encroachment of the wick right here. Break down. Trade up. Bearish order block. Break down. Breakaway gap. Okay. Include the volume imbalance in your fair value gap. I want to see this stay open. All right, I don't want to see the bearish order block traded to, these two up close candles, and I don't want to see this fair value gap traded to. That's a breakaway gap. This lower one here, that's fine. Okay, we could definitely trade into this. Look at the bodies. Are the bodies closing past midpoint of the fair value gap? No. So whole time while we're in the voice channel, I'm sitting in this short. I don't care about this consolidation. I said this is all time distortion, and I'm waiting till what time? That's 7:50 to 8:10 macro when you can expect movement. So let's zoom back out, and I'll throw my executions on here. All right, so my first entry, we have a small little volume imbalance here. I sell short. This is real funds, personal funds on my personal account. I sell short 7 contracts inside the volume imbalance. As we trade up inside this fair value gap, I sell one more, pyramiding as we're leaving that region. Break down, consolidate, consolidate, consolidate. All right, I said in the Discord, these equal lows. As we stab through that, that should be a partial. I didn't want to take a partial. I wanted to do a full pull in this new week opening gap. So break down, retrace all the way up. I get stopped in profit. Okay, I move my stop to break even. So stopped out here, no big deal. I go short again, 7 contracts once we leave this fair value gap. All right, so short again. What am I targeting? Short 7 contracts, taking off 4 at the high of the new week opening gap, taking off 2 more at consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap plus a tick or two for the spread. And then I leave one contract on as a runner, aiming for inefficiencies down here. And then that last contract gets stopped in profit here. All right. And that's pretty much it, okay? Bread and butter setup. All right, everybody's waiting for buy side to get taken out. I would like to see that taken out, but honestly, it's even better if it doesn't. If it shows an unwillingness, okay, NASDAQ, that is extremely weak if we can't even take out the initial buy side and then break lower, okay? This long wick, that is a premium array. This wick in itself is like a normal fair value gap. Wicks are gaps. We're respecting consequent encroachment. Break down, trade up, fail to reach consequent encroachment, break down, market structure shift. Okay, so that's your 2022 model. Buy side taken, market structure shift, fair value gap. Sell it, stopped in profit, no big deal. Selling it again, take profit hit. And if we zoom out, that runner that got stopped out in profit, obviously NASDAQ did its thing. So that's it. That's Asia. Hopefully that made sense. Full access members, we're back live trading tomorrow morning at 9:30. And I'll see you all there. If you have any questions, message me in the comment section down below or hit me up on Instagram, Discord, however you got to get to me. I'll make sure I get back to you. And I'll see you all in live stream tomorrow morning at 9:30. All right? Peace.